Hi there. I'm going to take one book and talk to you about the features and the benefits, tell you a little story, and then expand on it a little bit. So, this is 1001 Bugs to Spot. And some of the great features about this book, it's a hardback, but it has the soft cover. So, it is really appealing to kids. You're going to have bright and colorful pictures, and the objects on there are going to be pictures along with the words. And so for younger kids, they can use the picture. It's not just a word to find it. And some of the benefits are that this book includes counting. You're going to count to 8 wasps. It helps you with vocabulary. It helps you with visual discrimination when you are spotting things that are different, that helps you with early literacy skills. It is totally engaging. It's a book that your kids will go back to again and again. It's something that they can do together, they can do with you. It's great for trips. So, lots of benefits to these books. A quick story is that when my kids were little, my aunt said to me, "Wow, your kids have such fantastic vocabulary. They don't just know what bugs are, they know what stick insects and pond snails and back swimmers and all this vocabulary." And I could directly relate it to the Usborne books that they had, particularly these spotting books. So it truly does help your kids with their vocabulary and interest level in all kinds of different things. And then to expand, spotting books, as I mentioned, are fantastic. And there are several books in these series. They also have 1001 things to spot with sticker books. So those are even more engaging, that kids can remove the stickers to the little blank spots. And then we now have a new series, First Things to Spot around the house and out and about for younger kids. So all of the same great benefits, but at a little bit earlier of an age. So that's just an example of a way that you can talk about one book, expand it to several books, talk about the features and the benefits, and slide a quick little story in there. But it doesn't take too much time. All right, hope that helps.